Hello, Questers!
This is Cody and Dallyn, and we're the side quest guys.
And we've got
also Amanda.
Amanda, she feeling good?
Okay, Amanda and I have wanted to set up Dallyn on a blind date for a while, but we don't really know that many single people. Most of our friends are married. We've been trying to figure it out, and then we realized we have the power of the internet. We could find someone, so we did. We put out a call to find someone, and we did get a bunch of applicants, which was bananas to me.
And if you applied and we didn't choose you, we're really sorry. We just chose like the best fit.
Yeah, Dallyn was not in charge of that, so blame us. The only catch here is Dallyn has never actually met her, and he's not going to. Dallyn is going to wear a blindfold because
it looks like a tiny bra.
It does look like a tiny bra, but this is a blind date.
It's black, so I'm feeling sexy. Blind dates are awkward in general, right?
But so let's make it more awkward.
We'll make it even more awkward. We're gonna be blind on a blind date. I won't be able to see at all this entire date.
We're not quite outside her house. We're gonna go over to where she lives, and we're gonna.
All right, she said sounds good. All right.
Oh, let's do it.
This is like hours of blind.
Let's get a good shot of this.
My tiny bra face.
Okay. All right.
What does it say on it? It says bedtime bliss.
Guys,
all right.
My objective by the end of this date is to have heightened senses that I'm going to be as freaking awesome as Daredevil.
He's Daredevil. Right?
I'm Daredevil.
Okay, so we're gonna go to pick Sarah up, and this is gonna be awesome.
Wait, should we make Dallyn pick him up?
Absolutely.
And
well, I can't see it!
Okay, let's
see.
blind
date one.
Oh my gosh, okay. We're coming in.
All right,
I don't know where to go.
Are you not?
Dallyn, are you okay? There's a ditch that you just
fell in the ditch, guys. You didn't warn me.
Okay, stand straight up. Stand straight up. Okay.
Okay. Walk forward.
How many steps?
Okay.
Keep going, like 30. Keep going.
No, hang on. Wait. Okay, go forward. Keep going forward. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Walk faster. You're fine.
I'm scared.
Okay, you're gonna hit the sidewalk. Okay, that's the sidewalk. You're not gonna hit anything. Keep going.
I'm just scared.
Bigger steps. Okay, stop.
I can't hear you now.
Turn right.
Walk forward, Dallyn.
Oh.
Dallyn, it's a sidewalk. Walk forward.
My clothes?
Keep going. Walk forward. Dallyn, keep going.
You can do this.
Keep going.
Oh my
Keep
gosh.
going, Dallyn.
You're not even close.
Yeah, go to your left. Okay, straight. Forward. That's the door.
Okay, now roll. Okay, no, roll it up.
Hi, my name is Dallyn. I think I'm supposed to go on a date with you.
Oh, hey. Let's go on a date.
I know I look like I'm a psychopath, but my name is Dallyn, and I almost crashed into the bike, so I'm so sorry.
Look, it's the best sport ever.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go over
Oh, the ditch?
the ditch. Careful,
Okay.
careful. This
Here, let me get the door for you.
Oh, thank you.
You're
How
welcome.
about you go in actually?
No. You first. I'll go
Okay,
around. I'll
okay,
go
okay,
around.
okay. Thank you.
You are welcome.
We couldn't have picked a worse city for this.
Dallyn, just don't get hit by a car.
I already ran into somebody.
All right, Dallyn, there you go.
Ha! First try.
Yeah.
Oh, that's drivers.
So Amanda and I decided we were going to pick something that would be particularly good for someone that's blindfolded. So we decided bowling.
So we're gonna go bowling.
Well, are we eating or bowling first?
Good question.
We should eat first because...
You want to eat first? Let's do that
It's freaking
first.
7:40.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah,
we
let's
have
eat
Okay, we're going to
Like,
eat.
you know, wait all day.
Wait a second. How do you know what time it is?
Because...
Oh.
Okay, stop. When we got here, it was like 7:30, and so between the time it took me to tiptoe
So
to her...
counting.
Yes, I've been...
whole time.
Okay,
Okay.
you've seen me since I put the blindfold on. I haven't seen anything.
You haven't seen anything.
I haven't seen anything. No,
Now we all run away.
guys, I see a light there, but
Go towards the light.
Yeah, go there. Go toward it.
I'm scared. I'm not.
No, just go. It's the door. Okay, right there.
Ah!
Dallyn, you're touching the stranger's car.
Stop!
You're gonna make the alarm go off.
Okay.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, sir, I think you're too close to it.
Guys, you're childish.
Look at how sweet she's being. Show me.
Well, I wouldn't get anywhere without it. I'd still be in the parking
She
lot.
must be really hungry to sign up for this.
Oh, chairs, it's chairs. Okay.
You did it.
I don't know what I want. It's so weird. I keep trying to look at her, like, look at my date, but I can't.
This is a real restaurant. We actually have to order. So let's pick what we want. Choose out of it.
Well, for starters, is the first category.
Number 1 of 50.
Grains with envy. Soups and chili. Sandwiches. Big Mouth Burger.
Even a dynamic reading. She's making it interesting.
Bacon. Smoked cake. Just bacon burger.
Ha!
That's it.
It keeps diving. It's a submarine.
Back at the bottom.
It's a submarine lemon.
It's a yellow submarine.
That's my menu.
Well, there's that. I can use that.
Yeah, put your fork in there. Here you go.
Thank you.
That's so nice. That's how
It's
we
even
go
more
with
complicated. Is that ice or a lemon?
Ready? There you go. Oh.
Just stab it. Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Okay, down, it's still in there. You gotta find it.
It's definitely still.
Tell me when I'm close.
You're very close.
Hey! Oh,
That's pretty. Wait.
What are you looking?
oh no! I'm so sorry. Hey, an ice cube.
Subscribe.
Did I hit someone? Oh, where'd my straw go?
No.
Hey! Other.
Your hand in the salsa. Ready? One chip first. Okay, open your mouth wide.
What?
Open it wide.
Ah! You maniac! Amanda, you are the freaking worst.
Sarah is my new best friend.
Thank you.
I'm so embarrassing. I'm sorry.
Yep.
In my defense, they've done more embarrassing things.
Dallyn has no body language cues at all. So sometimes he's just like he just doesn't know what to do.
Wait, what? I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, I watched the vegetarian channel.
Just vegetables.
Oh,
Sorry, we collided hands.
Very inspiring. This is a hard question.
A Walk to Remember.
It doesn't have to be like the
Walking
top
with
three.
Vegetarians.
So top
then
3
Nuts
movies.
fell off.
Okay, question. Do you like VeggieTales?
Cody, you're the
It's so
worst.
long since I've seen VeggieTales.
That's so offensive.
So just so you know, Sarah's a vegetarian.
You can't ask a vegetarian if they like VeggieTales.
Oh, hi.
That's so offensive.
That's so rude of you to think that I watch VeggieTales. Quality film.
That's so interesting because some people are just so anti-seafood.
Yes.
But oh, see, I love seafood. No one look at me while I eat. Don't know, you're laughing.
Okay, we won't film it either.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
How's your burger?
You're looking.
I wasn't looking.
We're guessing.
I'm guessing that you ate a burger.
I need a napkin. Is there no more napkin? Thank you.
That was the waiter.
Huh?
Dallyn, my drink tastes so weird.
Why?
It's like it's like it tastes like double syrup. Here. Here.
What are you doing? That's your thumb! At first I was like, that's a really weird texture for a straw. So I was sitting here and I was like, oh yeah, we're getting new water. And I was just asking everyone, have I gotten a new water yet? And it was like, no. And then the waiter just goes like, here you go, sir. Grabs my hand, puts it down. He's like, here's your straw. He helped guide me.
Dallyn wants to film.
Just for a second.
It's like a parody of romantic comedies.
Is it recording now? Is it recording now?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm filming because I want to see. I'm literally filming based on voice.
I think I'm a little out of frame, but
Up. There. Yeah, perfect.
I'm trying.
He gets me like perfectly, and then everybody else is like.
we should go to where he is.
Yeah.
Hi!
We're really enjoying our meal.
I'm really good at filming blind.
True.
Like, haven't you seen a little of
But then
myself?
sometimes you forget what's going on because it's Snapchat and you're like, oh.
That's why you text and snap. I just got late. That's why I just got lazy and never asked for your text. I feel so sloppy and I'm never this bad.
It's really not that bad. I mean, for being blind, you're doing a great job.
Really?
I would agree.
Okay, thanks. Wait, I don't trust you guys. I can like have like.
You actually have ketchup all over every.
No, you don't. You're fine.
I feel like Kronk, where I've got Angel on one shoulder talking, and then I've got Devil on the other. Like, oh, that makes me. I know. It's really bad. I don't know. I'm stuck. Amanda's quiet again. She's filming.
Yep.
Hey, you don't know how scary that is. You don't know how scary that is. God, I feel like I'm.
What if that was the waiter's shirt?
Just here. Let me help you.
Wow,
He's like dabbing my face. Hey Cody, you used my card to pay, right?
Yes, I did.
Freaking Amanda!
Yes, I did.
I apologize.
Oh, sorry.
I'm terrified right now.
This energy at a bowling alley will make a lot more sense.
I think there might have been another one.
We're walking in the air.
Dallyn, that's the wrong car!
This is your car?
Yes, get in here.
It is. All right.
Bowling. Hold on, Sarah, I'm coming.
He's doing such a good job.
There's space.
Good job, Dallyn. Good job.
Okay, now there's people, so we need to be careful.
Watch out! Watch out!
Let's go. We're going bowling.
Well, we survived our blind date. That was one of the most ridiculous things I've ever done.
Same.
Okay, Sarah was such a good sport, but I've never felt so embarrassed. Like, nothing embarrasses me much, but I was so embarrassed. I was like, I know everyone's looking at me. I'm serious, one of the hardest things I have ever done.
What you didn't see is Dallyn adjusting to the lights after he took it off. He was literally like, I can't see. It didn't help that it was like all disco in there.
Yeah.
That was a lot of fun. Thanks so much, Sarah.
Yes, thanks,
Oh,
Sarah.
no
Yes,
problem.
thank you.
Thanks to everyone that
Yeah.
applied. We couldn't choose
We couldn't
everyone.
choose we want to know your craziest or worst first date or blind date stories.
Yeah. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and also make sure to subscribe. Catch our videos every single week. Sarah did, and look where it got her.
Watch all the videos.
We've got a lot more coming. This was a lot of fun, but
Yeah.
we got some good stuff coming. So
See you guys.
Oh, actually, happy Valentine's Day.
Aw.
Any life choices? I was ready.
I nibbled the nub.
I nibbled the nub.
This is gonna make no sense.
I nibbled the nub.
I nibbled the nub.
Bloopers.
Bloopers. Bloopers behind the scenes. Bloopers. Bloops.